Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. So today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the Netflix show Wednesday. I'm going to show you how to draw Thing. So Thing is a really cool character, really just a little hand, but a very cool character. All right, so I'm going to start drawing Thing with, let's start with a line like this. This is going to be like the upper spot right here. And then we're going to come on down a little bit. Like that. Now up here, I can do a bit of a curve. Like that. And start to come on down a bit. And come on down a bit further. And I'm starting to come out a little bit this way. So it's not a straight line. I'm going forward this way a little bit. All right, so let's continue this way. I'm going to start with a finger. So right here is the knuckle. So we're going to come on down like that. And I'm going to go this way a little bit. And then start to kind of curve here. And coming on up. And the underside of the knuckle. Okay. Now right here, we can start with another finger. And about right here, we're going to work on another knuckle. And come on down. And do another little curve here for the tip of the finger. And come on up. And do a little line here. And then continue going this way. And we're going to make kind of a big curve here because we're going to have the thumb right here and then the other fingers are going to be in the back. So we're coming on up and a bit of a curve here. And now we're going to have the thumb. You see I'm starting to curve that way. Okay. And now let's see, let's do another finger. It's going to be in the back. Coming on down. I'm curving a little bit here. And coming on up. And there's going to be another one. Have it right here and coming on up a bit here. All right, so now let's do some nails, some fingernails. So doing a little bit of a curve here and right here. Now this one here, we won't see it just because of the position and it's kind of being covered by this finger, so we wouldn't see the nail right there. And we wouldn't see it on this finger either because this is kind of like the back part. Now over here though, for the thumb, we'll do a little curve here. And now the knuckles. Let's add a few little lines here. And over here. And let's see. We need to add Thing's scars. So Thing has a lot of scars. I think, he's probably been in quite a few accidents. So big curve here. And I'm going to make it kind of a thicker line. Now we can do all kinds of these little stitches. All the way around. Now another spot where a thing has a scar, it's kind of right here by the thumb. You can add a few little stitches there too. And we'll do a curve here, like a big cut, and we'll add some stitches here. I'm going to thicken this one up too. All right, and next, right here, the top of the wrist. So thing obviously has some stitches here. So right here, I'm kind of doing like, almost like little scribbly X's. Just kind of like little scribbly spots. All right, so we're done our sketch, and now I'm gonna get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished drawing thing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have an awesome day, and hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, folks, have a great day. Goodbye.